There is an order which exists in family systems which must be respected. This is the order of priority. The order of priority states that those that came earlier in the system have priority over those that came later. So, grandparents have priority over parents, and parents have priority over children. Often, when a couple become parents, they put their couple relationship on the back seat. So, the priority goes now to the relationship to the child as parents. So, one parent may become too attached to the child, and this can become a cause of conflict between the couple. So, for example, the mother may get too attached to her son, and then she brings the son as a barrier between herself and her husband. So, I'm going to show this to you with the constellation puppets. So, these are the grandparents and these are the parents. And when the child is born, now the couple has become parents, and it's possible that the mother creates a distance between herself and her spouse by bringing the child in between. So, in this position, not only is it a burden for the child, he becomes a cause of conflict between the parents, and also he loses his access to his father. So, he's unable to be that close to his father because now he is too attached to the mother. When this child grows up, he will be unable to really form healthy partner relationship because the partner position is already taken up by the mother. So it is here the priority, the order of priority has been disturbed. The order of hierarchy is disturbed because the child is in the wrong place. The correct place for the child is to be here. This is a healthy place where he can grow up in a good way. There is no conflict between the parents. And then as he grows up, he can form his own partner relationships and then move ahead and form his own system. So it is important that the hierarchy and the order of priority is respected in family systems. Otherwise, it creates conflicts, it creates disturbances, and people move out of their own place, which then causes problems in their future relationships. If you found this video useful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is at the end of this video, and do watch other videos that I will be posting. Thank you.